Let's take a look at the My Account page from a teacher's perspective. When you log in, you'll always come to this page first. If you simply want to go to your lesson plans, click Go to My Digital Lesson Plans on the right. The My Account page has many other features for teachers to use. On the left, you see several links to tools you can access. The first 3 links refer to purchases made in Funshine Express. The next 3 links on the left allow you to change your personal information in Funshine. By clicking the links, you can change your password, email address, and even change your name. The links on the right side of the page are specific to Funshine Digital. Manage My Calendar Preferences allows you to customize your lesson planning experience. Let's go there now. You can choose to see your state standards in your lesson plans in the Select a State Standard Alignment dropdown. Once you select your state, click Save. If you don't see your state standards in the dropdown, check back soon. We add and update state standards regularly. Let's take a look at our lesson plans now. Click Go to My Lesson Plans, then click on Monday. Now you can see your state standards in your lesson plans. You can see the details of the standards by clicking the More link. The next feature on the My Calendar Preferences page helps you customize how your lesson plans load. Clicking the Autoload Your Lesson Plans checkbox allows you to set your lesson plans to automatically load when they're released each month. Set this up by clicking the checkbox next to Yes. Then select the age group you'd like to see in the dropdown. Click Save to set your preferences. The next 4 options on the My Calendar Preferences page allow you to customize how your calendars print. If you'd like to have your classroom name print on your lesson plans, enter your preferred name and scroll to click Save. You can also hide the list of indicators if you choose to print your lesson plans. This may help you save paper and printer ink. To hide indicators on activity prints, click the checkbox and click Save. Another way to save paper and ink is to choose the option to hide images from printed activities. When you select this box, images will be removed from the activities, printing only the text. Be sure to scroll down and click Save. Do you use the infant toddler calendar in your class? If so, we also have an option to omit all infant activities from your lesson plans. This option is convenient for teachers who only have toddlers in their classes. To set this preference, click the checkbox next to Yes, please omit all infant activities from my lesson plans. Then scroll down and click Save. You can also edit your calendar domain labels in this area. Simply click Edit, enter your preferred domain labels for your calendar, and click Save. Back on the My Account page, you'll notice View My Classrooms and Children, as well as assessment links. These links are covered in the assessment videos in this series. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.